Hi everyone, Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet, and today I'll be showing you this 2018 full-size Ford Transit Passenger Van XLT. Powering this van is a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now coming to the rear of the van, you can open up with these nice wide opening doors to a nice large cargo area. Now moving into the interior, up top you have your door and window controls, some storage, as well as lots of other storage in the door panel. Just on the other side of the door is your fuel door. And this van is equipped with nice soft premium cloth seats. And looking over at the dash now, you have your mirror and headlight controls, as well as a cup holder and some additional storage. Looking at the steering wheel, here is your dash display, your cruise control, and your hands-free audio controls. This van currently has 70,209 kilometers. You also have some additional settings on either side of your display. Here is your infotainment unit, your infotainment controls, your gear select, as well as your climate controls and a 12-volt power adapter. Down here you have another 12-volt power outlet, as well as a USB outlet. Now coming from the passenger side, here you have your glove box, a triangle safety kit, a fire extinguisher, as well as your parking brake and 110-volt power outlet. As well in the interior, you have some climate control up top, as well as plenty of storage space. On the passenger side, you also have this nice large sliding door with some easy steps in, making an efficient way to load 13 extra passengers. Some of the aisle seats also have this nice armrest, as well as there's a few windows placed around the van. Thank you for watching the walk-around video on this 2018 full-size Ford Transit Van XLT. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and visit us at Kelowna Chevrolet and our sales team will happily show you around.